Holy smokes, you guys. Look at this for a day. And of course, the beautiful XR. How could you go wrong? Stick around for something completely different. This is going to be fun. Wow, that's a good one. It's always sketchy along here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I didn't see that coming. I didn't think we'd have snow at this elevation. We actually got a crazy dump of snow yesterday. Like, well, not crazy, this month, like 2 or 3 inches. It's a little unusual for this time of the year. Perfect. I just stashed my bike off the beaten path here a little bit because I don't want anybody to borrow it. Okay. Now we hike up the hill here a little bit. Okay, let me get organized. You guys are gonna like this. So yeah, can you guys see that background way in the back there? See those mountain peaks? It's a pretty beautiful spot. But check out the rock behind me there. I'll show you guys over the hill here in a bit, but it's a pretty awesome place to come because it's nice and close to our house and the rock formations are really smooth. I don't know, maybe it was lava back in the day. I have no idea, in the ice ages or something. But it's a pretty good spot for the little RC cars, so let's give her a go. Have a look at this, you guys. Some of the other places we can drive those little cars. Have a look over the edge here. Just smooth rock everywhere you look. a lot of fun, you guys. I hope you enjoy some of those clips. Definitely going to do more of this kind of stuff. I have so many crazy cool areas to take those little RC cars. I mean, you guys have seen my videos. Half of those spots around rocks and cliffs. What a fun way to spend a couple hours, you guys. It's like playing guitar, which I also do. Some of you guys might not know that. I've got over 20 guitars. But yeah, some of my other hobbies, it'd be fun to incorporate them into my YouTube channel. But like I said, the RC cars are just so relaxing and peaceful, and there's zero noise. It's really fun. If you guys have never tried it, you should give it a try. It's pretty cool. Anyways, till the next one. Brap.